Dire wolves are back. Introducing Remus, the first dire wolf to exist in over 10,000 years. 10,000 years, guys. Now, if you don't know what dire wolves are, you've never seen Game of Thrones. Dire wolves are basically just another species of wolf. They're like a big wolf, I guess, is how I would describe them. All the Starks had a pet dire wolf that was like tied to their soul or whatever the So rejoice, Game of Thrones enjoyers. How did they do it? Well, scientists were able to extract partial DNA from well-preserved direwolf fossils using cutting-edge gene editing technology like CRISPR, which I think I talked about maybe a year and some change ago. Then they used comparative mapping against the genomes of modern canines, which allowed researchers to fill in the genetic gaps. And now, similar to cloning techniques used on endangered species, like black-footed ferrets, which you guys know all about, right? You know all about black-footed ferrets. The embryos were planted into closely related surrogate animals, like a modified wolf hybrid, Taylor Lautner Sheik, and brought them to life. The first viable direwolf pups were born in a secure, bio-contained conservation facility, and they're expected to make a bunch more of them. So what's next for dire wolves? So they're not going to be just running in the wild. So the plan is to monitor them because you can't just release super predators into the environment because it'll just completely throw off the food chain, I guess. So there's like a lot of debates over that and the risks of reintroducing them. But the goal isn't mass release, it's restoration biology. Look, let's address the woolly mammoth in the room here, right? What's next? Are we going to bring back woolly mammoths? You're goddamn right we are. I mean, does it get any more American than that? We're bringing them back. We're going to de-extinct the woolly mammoth using Asian elephant DNA. A functioning hybrid could be born as early as 2027. We're bringing back passenger pigeons, Tasmanian devils. What's up, Taz? And the dodo bird, even though Congress is full of them. I think where everyone's head's going, which it should go here, is it Jurassic Park time? Are we bringing back dinosaurs? Candace Owens says they don't exist, but I think we're long overdue to open a Jurassic Park. And you better fucking believe they're working on it. You better believe it. I think as long as we open Jurassic Park on an island, like a remote island, it's fine. You can't like have it in Manhattan, you know, where they can just break free and then wipe out everybody in America. You got to have it in like a desert island. So that way, if the T-Rex murders everyone and breaks out, they can't just like swim across the ocean to kill everyone. Because, you know, T-Rex with their little tiny hands, they can't swim. And then if things get out of control, you just bomb the island. Or not. Or you just have a dinosaur island. You know? And like content creators can, for content, decide if they want to try to go survive on Dino Island.